Hi guys, it's Bonnie with Just for the Food of It, and I have another seasoning that we can make at home instead of buying it at the store. It is becoming the beginning of November in just a few days, and it is chilly here in Missouri. So we like a lot of soups and chilies, and I like to make my own seasonings, of course, as you know. So I'm going to make a chili seasoning today. And it's pretty quick, just a few ingredients, and I'm gonna lower you down so you can see what I'm doing. So bear with me just for a second. Okay, guys. This is a tablespoon of chili powder. And then I have a teaspoon of cumin. And I have a fourth a teaspoon of cayenne, a fourth a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to put this in with this. And then I have a teaspoon of salt. And then I have a fourth of teaspoon of pepper. So all we're going to do is mix this together real quick. I'm just going to use the back of my measuring spoon. And then this is good for 1 pound of meat. We usually use hamburger, but you can use whatever meat that you like. You know, if you like turkey season or turkey, ground turkey, or whatever, chicken or whatever it is that you prefer in your chili. So you mix that up and you put it in an airtight container and use it for your next chili seasoning. And I just wanted to point out my spoons here. This is a tablespoon and a teaspoon, and they move up and down. And these are from Pampered Chef. I love these. I love them. I love them. You're not fishing around for the fourth or the eighth teaspoon in your drawer. It's all right here. So if you're interested, I will put the link in the descriptions. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good day.